Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin with concerns this evening about how a lack of resources at the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH, is impacting the delivery of health care at the facility. The concerns come as the daughter of a patient says her mother is not receiving the treatment she needs due to the resource constraints. Herman Green has her story.
Claudette Grant is at her wit's end.
I'm a mother, yes. I'm a lover. But what am I do with her? What am I do with her when I go home, take her home like that?
Her tears of frustration flow as despite desperately seeking medical help for her mother at KPH, the elderly woman has reportedly been discharged from the facility worse off than when she went in. Claudette explains that her ordeal started a month ago when her mother fell off a bed at home and bumped her head. She says she took her to the hospital where she was discharged after 3 days with paperwork to do an MRI on the 21st of April.
She get discharged Saturday and Saturday, Sunday for about a week and a half after she realized that she's not responding to us. Right? She's not talking, no, nothing at all. I realized that she have a slight fever. So I take her back down here. When you look, you see the big cocoa that's up on her face. She not talk, no, nothing at all. She not talk. She not respond to it. She only sleep. Your common sense must tell us that something is wrong.
She says she was then told that her mother was being treated for an infection on the chest, but not for the swelling to the head and her seemingly deteriorating cognitive functions. Being an inpatient at KPH, the facility is to assist with getting the MRI done. But despite Claudette's efforts, for 3 weeks it was not done.
3 times we make the request to do the MRI. Me make the request to do the MRI, get the appointment. And the 3 times she missed the MRI. Them are going to tell you upon the ward. Because the doctor them upon the ward are going to tell us that them not have no ambulance.
She says for the 3 weeks she has been going between the hospital and the MRI facility. A date was set for April 5, which she again missed. She was told that's because of a shortage of nurses and no ambulance to transport her. But when Claudette returned to the hospital, she had another surprise.
Yesterday, when me come, them are going to tell me, say, she get discharged. She get discharged, she not respond, she not talk, she not move. She have all the tube in her nose where she have feed out of. And them are going to tell me, say, she get discharged.
So is she still in the hospital?
She's still in the hospital, coming and move, coming and know which part I forgot to do with her.
She says she was told a private ambulance would cost $45,000 for the journey, a cost she cannot afford. In addition to her mother, Claudette's 11-year-old daughter has sickle cell and is struggling at home. Claudette is, however, fearful that leaving her mother at the hospital will make things worse, as she says the doctors say there is nothing more they can do for her.
Right now she lie down in the bed up there like a vegetable and you got ear say she get discharged to go home. When me I go home with her, I go do with her. When me I go home, go do with her, sir. Somebody can tell me when me I go home, go do with her, with my sick child, with my sick daughter there. So me there home I fight with my 11-year-old daughter. We have 4 strokes and plus my mother. Jesus Christ Almighty, what we fi do?
Herman Green, TVJ News.